Hi students, welcome back to your English class. Okay, in our last class we already learned the textual activities and we completed one lesson and all. So I hope you all did your homework and you wrote your notebook and all. So today we are moving on to the grammar section. Okay, are you ready for that? So all of you should take your grammar textbook with you and don't forget to take what? Pencil. Okay, so this is the first chapter, sentence. The first chapter is sentence. So all of you should take your textbook and open your textbook and take the page number 5. That is the first chapter. The first chapter is about sentence. Okay, so children, it's quite natural. We can see so many sentences in your textbook, right? Yes, the sentences are, if we combine the sentences, we can make one story, or if you want to say something to your friends or your teacher, what we used these sentences and all. So, without these sentences, we are not able to say anything to your friends or your teachers, or you are not able to write a story and all. So, sentences is very important for writing a story or writing a question answer or forming a questions and all. Okay, then what is a sentence? What is exactly a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Other than that, if we simply put some words here and there, is it a sentence? No. What you should write that words in a proper way, then only you will get a complete sense. Okay, that means the sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Okay, shall I write something on the board? So all of you listen to your board. Is this a sentence? Is this a sentence? Is this words convey any message? Is this words convey any message? No. That means if we arrange these words in a proper way, you will get a complete or a meaningful sentence. Okay. If we arrange these words in a proper way, you will get a meaningful sentence like this. Okay, so in first I write blue is the sky. We are not able to find a meaningful sense from this group of words. But when we are arranging these words like this, yes, we will get a meaningful sentence. That is, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. So, we get to know about the color of sky from this sentence. Okay, we are very easy to find what color having the sky. So, from this sentence, we can understand that the color of sky. Okay, the sky is blue. So, sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. Okay, sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. That is the first thing. The second thing is, whenever you write a sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. The first letter should be in capital letter like this. Okay, the first letter should be in capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. The sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, whenever you write a sentence, the sentence should be start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, these are two general rules about sentence. That is, a group of words which make a complete sense are called sentence, and the sentence should be start with a capital letter and ends with a what? Full stop. Okay, these are the two general rules for sentence. Then all of you listen to this. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes, this is a flower, right? This is a flower. So, I am going to give a name for this flower. What is the name? Yes, the flower have, what is the name of the flower? Sentence. Okay, sentence. The name of the flower is sentence. And see, the flower has how many petals? This flower has how many petals? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this flower has 4 petals. Okay, this flower has 4 petals. So, I am going to give a name, particular name for this particular petals. Okay, first one is assertive. First petal's name is assertive. Second is interrogative. Second is interrogative. And third is imperative. Third one is imperative. And fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, so all of you should assume the sentence is like a flower. Okay, you just try to imagine our sentence is like this flower, and like this 4 petals, our sentence has, yes, our sentence has 4 kinds. That's our assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay children, you just try to imagine our sentence is a flower, and like this 4 petals, our sentence has 4 kinds, that are assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, so these are 4 kinds of sentences. So from these 4 kinds of sentences, now we are going to discuss 2 types. Okay, from this 4, we are going to take only 2, that is assertive and interrogative. Means what is assertive and what is interrogative. Now we are going to discuss about assertive and interrogative sentences. Okay, so first you don't forget this thing, sentence. Sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense, and there are 2 general rules for sentence. First one is sentence should be start with capital letter and end with full stop. Okay, then second one is, okay, from these 4 types, 4 kinds of sentence, I am going to discuss interrogative sentence. Okay, you see one picture, that is a sentence. That means you just try to imagine sentence is a flower and that flower has 4 petals. Like that, you just try to imagine our sentence has 4 kinds. First one is assertive, second is interrogative, and third is imperative, and next is exclamatory. So now I am going to discuss about interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogative sentence? What do you mean by interrogative sentence? Yes, if you are looking so tired in noon time, your mother will come and ask one thing. What is that? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? If you are looking so tired in noon time, definitely your mother will come and ask you, are you hungry? That is a question. That is a question. So, question sentences are called interrogative sentences. Okay, question sentences are called interrogative sentences. The sentence, all of you look at your textbook. The sentences that ask questions are called question sentences or interrogative sentences. The sentences that ask questions are called question sentences or interrogative sentences. For example, for the interrogative sentences, Are you hungry? First one. Second one. What is your name? Third one. Do you have a pen? Okay, then what is the difference is, whenever you write a question sentence, the sentence should be start with a capital letter and ends with what? Question mark. This is question mark. This is question mark. So whenever you want to write a question, the question should be start with capital letter and ends with question mark. Okay. Okay. So whenever you want to write a question, the question should be start with capital letter and ends with question mark. Okay children, this is interrogative sentence. That means if you want to ask anything to your friends or your teacher or somebody else, what? Yes, you want to ask in a question type. That is, that question sentences are called interrogative sentences. That means interrogative sentences. That means that interrogative sentence should be start with capital letter and ends with question mark. Okay, whenever you write the question sentences, yes, the two things you should keep in your mind, that is start with capital letter and ends with question mark. Ends with question mark. Okay, so what are the things we learned today? First one is about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. And which are the two general rules for sentences? First one is what? The sentence should be start with capital letter and ends with full stop. And which are the four kinds of sentences? Which are they? Yes, assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, these are the four kinds of sentences. Which are the four kinds of sentences? Yes, assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, good. These are the four kinds of sentences. So, I hope you all understood the section very well. So, see you next class. Okay, thank you children.